Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave, and first and foremost, before we go any further, Happy New Year. All the best. All the best for 2024 to everybody. There you go, our little party popper. Okay, we'll put that over there. It's all done. John Shave Super Soaker. Let's put it there. Come on, let's crack on with this shave. What have we got for you today? Well, here we go. The star of the show. We'll get it into soak. Before you do, take a look at this, guys. Beautiful, very, very soft plush knot. That is the oumo Celebration Year of the Rabbit brush, 26mm synthetic lasso G5 knot, anodized aluminium and ivory acrylic. We're going to put that there in the official John Shave Super Soaker while we go through the rest of the stuff. The razor we're going to be using, PAA's Metaphor razor. I'm using PAA soap. It went very well. What we sticking? Come on, John, get with the program. You'll have to excuse me, guys. There you go. There you go. There's the base of it. People do like to see that. And we'll get that cap off there. And here's the blade that we're going to be putting in it. A ninja. Yep. I trained to be a ninja. Yeah. When we lived in China, group of ninjas broke in, kidnapped my wife and dog. I trained for 7 years. There's no way I was letting them have that dog. There you go. Ninja blade. We'll put that in there. Let's get it all nicely. What is going on with me recently in these razors? There you go. There you go. We'll get that in there. It's a good razor, this, guys. Very, very, very good razor. It was gifted to me by Scouse Ian, and I'm very glad he did. Thank you for actually looking at it. And every time I went to get one, it was sold out. And then when Ian sent me the box of goodies, that was in there for me. So thank you, Ian. We're going to balm up the Snowman with another scented aftershave balm. If you live in the UK, they've got that. They've got 3 others, scented balms, £1. There you go. And then the star of the show, guys. Here we go. Holographic label. Can you see that? Let's try. There is a light source in here somewhere. There you go. First Night on Planet Earth. Absolutely wonderful. Go on Phoenix Shaving's website, guys. Here you go. It says top notes of raspberry, pine resin, lavender, basil, bergamot, Sicilian cedar. Middle notes of carnation, leather, sandalwood, patchouli and geranium. Base notes of leather, tonka bean, amber, benzoin, oak moss and bourbon vanilla bean. Now what do I get, guys? I get the raspberry, I get the basil, I get the geranium, and I get the bourbon vanilla bean, the booze in it. There's a powderiness to it. It's an absolutely wonderful scent, you know. Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful. It really, really does. All PAA soaps are performers. The scent strength on this, I would put it about a 7. Absolutely wonderful. But the star of the show is this brush, okay? So, let's get lathered up and we'll see how this performs. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? I'm liking this. There you go. So let's see how we go. It's a G5 synthetic knot. I've heard good things about it. Look at this, you know me. We'll load onto the brush. We'll lather onto the face. There you go. What's that? A couple of seconds. Let's see where we go. So how are you all doing for 2024? There you go. All PAs like a drink, don't they? So what's going there? This is a stiff knot, guys. The tips are very, very soft. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to soften up. You don't really tend not to break synthetic brushes in. Yeah? Maybe I've overdone it with the with the shaving salt. There is a lot, and I just got it stuck right on in there. But look at this, guys. We're doing look at what's going on here. Oh my word, honestly. I don't know what's going on with me. I think I started back at work, first day back at work today. And come on, I can't concentrate, I'm all over the place. I think I've done nothing but eat and drink for the past 2 weeks. Oh, that blade's wow, that's a strange, that's very, very, very mild. And I know it isn't the razor, so maybe that blade's not as wide as it should be. But it's taking something off. But yeah, spent the last 2 weeks eating and drinking, and then today all I've had to eat some fruit, some vegetables and some lean meat, lots of water. And about an hour ago I really started to feel quite cruddy. I think it's my body getting rid of all the crud that I've been feeding it for the past couple of weeks. I'll be honest with you, back in work today, absolute killer. Really didn't want to come in and do this video, guys. I'll be honest with you. I was sat in the chair. I don't know if you can see that handle, but there's light grain. Yeah, that's maybe a better example of it there. A grain. I put the dimmer, the backlight down on my phone, so I can't see a great lot. The lighting looks shocking. But yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this. So, have you made any New Year's resolutions? I'm same old. Eat healthy, lose weight. Yeah, and that's it really. Have you used this brush? Have you used this knot? I had a look at it about on oumo. They've got the usual spiel on there, but I haven't really had time to look and see if anybody else has used it. So if you know of anyone that's used it, or you've used it, let me know in the comments. I have to be a little bit careful. My daughter's in there and my wife's just in there, and I'm a little bit subdued anyway. Like I said, first day back, long hard day at work. It's about 8 o'clock at night now as I do this, because I just know that I'm going to work tomorrow. It's gonna be busy, and I didn't want to come back and put it up late tomorrow night, you know. So we'll dip the tape, get a bit of water in. So I wanted to come in and get the video done today at least. So Samantha's watching the programme she wants to watch on her TV. Angela's watching the programme she wants to watch on our TV. So I thought I would come in and I'll be honest with you guys, absolutely honest with you. Paid a lot of money for this brush, and I love that handle. But that knot's not great. It isn't. That knot is not blowing my socks off. Hey ho, there you go. I wanted the shave of 2024 to be a bit better. Well, it is. It's a good shave. I'm not impressed. Not impressed with that knot. Or maybe psychologically I just regret that it's not a badger. I'm not going to put a badger in it. But if you can recommend another good synthetic knot out there, a nice high density. Although I think a nice oumo 26mm SHD badger knot may go very well in that, But I just don't know. I don't want to damage that brush in any way, shape or form. Trying to get that knot out. That's it. Once again, absolutely nothing's happened. It's just been bed and work. Here we go. Leather mittens. Well, it did okay. I don't know. Yeah, it produced a lather, didn't it? It just seemed to struggle to let it go. I've never really... Yeah, that blade's not great either, guys. Dearie me. So full of promise. Here we go. What we'll do is we'll just do the usual suspects under the chin. Actually, now, do you know what? We'll just do a whole forward pass. Why not? That blade, it doesn't feel too bad. It just feels to me like it's not wide enough. But because it's not, I think a normal standard width blade out this way seems to be very narrow, so the blade's not really reaching the skin. It's not a rough blade, just doesn't seem to be reaching the hair, you know. Who knows? There you go. And that's it, guys. Oh, just looking forward to getting back into a routine. What do you reckon? We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. We're going to put some of this on it. Look at this. Oh, just all my 6s and 7s. I hate this, guys. Usually sometimes when I come in, well, most times when I come in from work about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I just get straight on with the shave. Oh, well, that booziness comes through now. Yeah, the booziness and the vanilla. Oh yeah, that comes through in bucket loads there, which is a good thing because that's vanilla scented. I've already had a shower, guys. So this is me. I'm gonna go to bed smelling fantastic. Gonna get a cup of tea now. Oh, that's a good combo. Interestingly enough, now that vanilla scented balm's gone on, it seems to be bringing out the scent of the raspberry. Oh, and there you go. Check this out, guys. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. We got a shave out of it. I'll have to keep my eye on that knot. I will. And I won't be using those blades again either. But thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Quick one today, Just 13 minutes. Well, it's going to be 14 minutes when you see it. Look after yourselves. And remember, 2024, new beginnings. Look for new opportunities to show love for everyone. And I'll see you in the Saturday shave. Bye.